So now I will discuss about the bovine spongiform encephalopathy. It is an afebrile neurological condition that is observed in the adult cattle, and it is caused by a prion that causes encephalopathy in the cattle. The transmission mostly observed due to the feeding of infected meat and bone meal. Some clinical findings are there. There is change in the temperament and behavior. The predominant neurological signs are apprehensive behavior, change in the posture and the movement. There is unusual excitability is there, kicking habit is developed, head tossing when halted. Then there is separation anxiety, there is abnormal posture and ataxia, there is drop in the production, animal become hyper aesthetic and ataxic, losing of the body condition. Diagnosis mainly performed through the CSF examination by the gel electrophoresis. Then the histopathological examination of the brain tissue may also confirm the disease. Regarding treatment, there is no treatment, only the control measures are available, especially the new cattle which is introduced should be quarantined, and then the feeding of the contaminated feed, especially the meat and bone meal, should be properly sterilized. Then another next disease is there, that is Visna. Most of the time it is also observed along with the MIDI. It is a very important viral disease of sheep and goat that is characterized again by the neurological manifestation, just like BSE in the cattle. Then sometime it is associated with the MIDI or appeared simultaneously. It is caused by a lentivirus that belongs to Retroviridae family. The transmission of the disease is not clear. The direct contact is suggested. Regarding clinical finding, the early sign includes lagging behind the flock because of the ataxia and body wasting condition. The body wasting causes the ataxia, especially of the hind limb, that is progressive. Occasionally cough and nasal discharge is there. The affected animals making sudden turns when it is in the recumbent phase. The sudden turning of the animal is observed. Generally no fever is there. Animal having a normal appetite, consciousness are retained. Additional signs are include neurological signs, especially the tremors of the facial muscles. There is knuckling of the distal limbs. Animal stands on the flex tarsi. Some animal may show head tilt. There is aimless wandering and blindness observed in some sheep. Diagnosis can be performed by using serological test and the gross and microscopic lesions in the carcass. Again, there is no treatment of the disease. Restricted movement, isolation and quarantine may help you to control the disease. Thank you.